Doge. Oh, I got my Doge. Yes, Dogies. Where's my Doge? Please tell me this isn't a scam box. Okay, so this is my Doge unboxing. Shape ways. Yeah, cool. Where's Doge? So this isn't a scam box. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'll be right there when I open up the package. Oh, Doge! Yes! Okay, guys, that was my Doge unboxing. Oh my gosh, yes, I got Doge in the mail. Oh no, he'll be right beside me at all times. Yay! Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like, comment, subscribe for this one little Doge. And it has a little hole right here. Cool. But yes, just please like, comment, subscribe for this little Doge. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.